Hi Hanno and Kimmo. I want to send you my best regards from one of the mountains in Austria, just 1600 meters above sea level. So that's the only thing we can do at the moment, because above that height there is some snow. So we are out for some mountain cycling exercise today again, and look what I have with me today. First time with the new shin guards made out of wood plastic. Thanks a lot for that samples. And as you see, I have done some thermoforming already and they work pretty well. I want to show you. It's the same, that's the same size than my shin, and it's a very good guarding system, lightweight and good enough to give some protections. So this is a new product. You can do that not in Finland because you have no hills there, I know, but in Austria we have a need for shin guards like this. So we can go for downhill now. Looking forward seeing you next time at the K-Show in Düsseldorf, and thanks a lot once again. See you. Bye.